Welcome to Blackhat hacking series. So in this video we are going to resume our identity hiding, and in this specific video we are going to learn about the Tails OS. If you can see, Tails is a complete operating system like Kali Linux, like Windows 7, like Windows XP and anyone. This operating system is specially built to preserve your privacy and anonymity. Like whatever work you do in that, or whatever internet you browse, or whatever you do in that, it would just hide your identity and maintain your privacy. So how to download it, how to install it, the whole process I'll be showing you now. So first of all, we'll go to this website. You type Tails OS on the Google and you'll get the website. Install Tails OS for the Windows, yes. And we go to run Tails into a virtual machine. Yes, we'll click here. And we want to download the Tails. You can just click on this and it will download the image, as I have already downloaded right now. Or you can also download from the torrent. Then what I have to do is you just have to open your VMware workstation, create a new virtual machine, custom, next. I will install operating system later, next. Here we choose Linux, and you can choose any one other Linux, 4.x 64-bit or 3.x 64-bit, anyone. Let me choose 3.x 64-bit. Next, and here you can give a name like Tails OS, and next. Here you can do 2 cores of processors, next. 2 GB RAM, next. NAT to share the internet in the VMware, next. Recommended, next in a single file, and you can give maybe up to 15 GB of space, next, and finish. Now you have to click on the CD DVD and you have to assign the location of Tails OS. Okay, and we can start. I just need to click enter to run it live. So start Tails, and that's it. You're ready to use the Tails OS. It's Linux based, so if you want to operate it from the commands, you must be knowing the Linux commands which you use in the Kali Linux. So it's same like that. Like I go to applications, I start Tor browser, it have already inbuilt in that. So if I go to hoover.net, if you see wrong IP, location, anonymous proxy, and the best thing about is the operating system. It's a Linux based operating system and it's just showing Windows 7. A wrong version of Firefox, wrong version of Windows 7, totally fake things. US location, language is US, and if you see the time zone, no time even, nothing, totally anonymous. They can never even see that you are coming from a Tails OS. So it's also one of the way which you can use for to browse the internet anonymously. Rest you have also learned so many other ways as well, like the proxy techniques, like the top, like the VPN chaining, VPN plus VPS. So it would be totally dependent upon you now that which technique you want to use to maintain your privacy. So be safe and happy hacking. Thank you.